Hi everyone, we have actually a vacuum machine Dyson. I'm gonna show you uh, the model number right here, and it's actually Dyson DC50. That's what it says. I already kind of deassembled part of that. Basically what's going on, that brush it's not turning around. Like literally when you click the button, it's not going anywhere. First, of course, like a lot of people suggest to clean all the hair and everything else from the brush. It might be just stuck there. I already did it, so it's not the case. I kind of narrowed the issue to that relay right there. It's kind of relay switch right here. I guess sometimes it's getting bad, and what I did, I actually unscrew everything, and when I plug in, that relay is making sound. It's like buzzing sound, like zzz. So that's what actually saying it's actually bad and needs to be replaced. So I actually went online and found that relay. It's called brush bar on the on-off switch. That's a part number 965146-01, and it cost me like, I feel I pay for one with the shipping like $9 or something like that. If you wanna, you can put your comment and I will send you a link where I actually purchased it from. Of the relay, the only thing, like, you have to remember how it was, because otherwise you might messed up with something and it's not gonna work the same way. So I'm actually, that's already brand new one, like I was showing you in the video. I purchased that from online store for like, I mean with the shipping for like $9 or something like that. So here we go. I just put it back, and you just put it on the same spot as it was. Technically it doesn't really look any different. It's pretty much look the same way as it was before, but I know for sure, I know by the fact that it was not working properly. When you click, it was just making buzzing sounds, noise. And the most important, when you're gonna install that, that's actually the little springs that actually goes in that case right here. They have to be intact on that plastic pieces, because they're the ones who actually somehow like activate those buttons, like they kind of make them working as they're supposed to do. Okay, now we're gonna install that piece. I feel like you just need to kind of pull that thing right here and actually make sure that those springs actually is gonna go to those spots right there, as you can see. Yeah, that's probably hardest part. Probably like that. Yeah. That should be it. There you go. Finally, it's sticked as it should. You see? It's good. You see, it works perfect. Okay, the buttons it seems like working fine. Now I'm gonna screw some of the bolts in and then go from there, because I don't want to tie them up too hard, because we need to make sure that everything is working fine. So I'm gonna put it in like few bolts and see if that's gonna work. Doesn't matter, you can start with any of the bolts. You see there's a 4 bolts on the back. There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts to unscrew before you can. Okay. I feel like we just want to check now if the brush is actually turned around. Let's see how it's gonna work. Check if it's working.